Ice Pony videos! Today I'm going to share another DIY craft because it seems like y'all really loved the paper weaving table mats I did. We are making origami paper bookmarks. These are really useful and they fit on any book. You only need one 5x5 inch origami square sheet of paper to make this, and I really love this craft. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get crafting. The first step is to flip the paper over to make the white side of the paper facing up. Then diagonally fold the paper in half, just like this. Now take the top corner and fold it to the top crease, like this. Now take the two side flaps, fold them in the front to the corner. Just make sure you crease them nicely. Now fold these two flaps into the flap underneath. Second one. You are all done. You just got a really cute corner bookmark. Isn't this so easy? I can spend days making these. I hope you enjoyed this. I love reading, so these come in handy because sometimes I have to stop in the middle of the book and go to bed. So I just put my bookmark in and continue reading the next day. You can use these for school books too. You can personalize this with crayons, markers, color pencils, anything you like, by writing your friend's name if it's a gift, writing your name if it's for school books. So have fun crafting! Next, I'm going to show y'all how to make these really cute dices. You can put numbers on them, shapes on them, or just leave them in the colors. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button because this is coming up next.